guys! Welcome back to another travel show. So for today's episode, we will be wandering around Poblacion, Makati. So the places we are going to are filling station at saka pupunta rin tayo sa Agimat at Ugat Foraging bar and the sooo, which is a Korean resto. So ayan guys, samahan niyo ako and let's go! Is filling station. Ito yung lugar kung saan may restaurants, pwede rin inuman, at saka dito nyo matatagpuan yung iba't ibang klaseng collectibles ng kapanahunan ng mga 50s and up. They have mga superheroes, statues, check out natin, tignan natin, explore natin yung place. And as you can see from here, the first one na bubungad sa inyo, itong mga bottles na galing sa mga 19 kupong-kupong, you know, from way back. Yung hindi nyo pa nakikita ng mga bottles ng iba't ibang klaseng drinks, beers, and whatsoever, soda, soft drinks, dito nyo makikita. Siguro yung mga kapanahunan pa ng mga lolo nyo at lola nyo ng ganon. So ayun, itatry din natin yung kanilang mga food dito. And tingnan natin kung ano ang meron sila dito. Oh! So yan guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa restaurant ng filling station. And these are the food that we got. As you can see, grabe sobrang laki oh. Saan ka makakakita ng ganito kalaki? And it's, the price, very good, worth it. Ayan. So first, what we're going to try is the one in front of me. Sour cream. Grabe, sobrang nakakatakam. Sobrang crispy. Tsaka yung nila, seasoning nila, which is very simple, salt, pero sobrang sarap. Tsaka hindi siya oily. So ayan guys, titirahin na natin itong tinatawag nilang Alcatraz. Pangalan pa lang nakakatakot na. Woo! So yun guys, woo! Pag kumakain ka ng ganitong food, dapat talaga kamayin mo, finger licking good nga eh. So, ang nandun sa loob niya, I think this is like some meats, chicken, meron pang mga herbs, I don't know, coriander, rosemary, I don't know, something like that. Sobrang sarap. This one. Alright, let's try this one. Siyempre, gusto ko dito to. Onion ring. Coating niya. Para lang siyang bread. For me, I like it kasi hindi heavy yung coating niya. At saka para siyang bread lang. Hindi siya masakit sa bibig. Try natin to. Burger na lang. So when you order burger, lalo na sa ating mga Pinoy, hindi tayo mahilig ng mga raw, something like that. You can always request your food when it comes to beef, well done. If you don't like medyo bloody or hilaw. So this one, grabe sobrang sarap. May gravy. Gravy siya, sobrang sarap. comes to buffalo, syempre, you expect it's spicy and a bit sour. Masarap siya. Shanghai spring rolls, yung mga paborito nating i-take out sa mga party. Sa final round, which is the dessert. This is called 1945 Kiss. Grabe, worth it yung pagpunta ko dito. Pumunta na kayo dito. Sobrang sarap. Around here, these are strawberries. But at the top of that, this is cherry. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating pangalawang destination na ang tawag ay Agimat at Ugat. Maganda yung place nila. Medyo siya dark siya. Para mas thrill, di ba? Try natin yung mga drinks nila. They have different kinds of cocktails. Tapos, yung mga pangalan ng mga cocktails nila ay kakaiba. Yung theme nila dito is mga elements like fire, water, air. 70% of their ingredients from drinks to their food, they came from Philippines. Medyo kakaiba yung dating ng bar and it's beautiful. Doon sa mga mahilig sa mga thrill, mga kakatakutan, pwede kayo pumunta dito. Ito yung tinatawag nilang balot sa chicharon. So, this is basically skin of the pork, but ito may twist. Yung balot nila, try natin. It's not just a chicharon. So, they have here, balot. Ang balot nila ay 2 layers daw. Wow! You can actually use it. You can just eat it like this, using the straw, or you can just use it for dipping. Grabe, sobrang crunchy niya, guys. Guys, pumunta kami sa Hot Soul. Kaso lang, hindi kami pinayagan mag-video. Kaya lumabas na lang kami. Kasi useless din. So, ang ginawa namin, lumipat kami sa isang the Bourbon bar. Meron sila dito billiard. Meron din sila dito live band. Tsaka may smoking area sila. Mukhang dito. Masaya. Maraming pumupunta dito. Maraming tumigimik dito. Kaya, I'm pretty sure pag pumunta kayo dito, mag-enjoy din kayo. guys, tapos na tayo sa ating episode for tonight. Pinuntahan natin, they are filling stations, Agimat at Ugat, at saka yung last, which is the Bourbon. They're all good, fun. They have different kinds of foods and cocktails. They have live bands. Kung gusto nyo ng nightlife, gusto nyo mag-night out with your friends or family, after sa nangyari na pandemic, with stress and all, pwede kayong pumunta dito sa may Poblacion, Makati. Sobrang daming mga bars. So this is actually the red light district. Doon sa mga hindi pa masyadong nakakaalam dito, huwag kayong masyadong ma-shock. You just have to be open-minded and have fun. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag nyo naman kalimutan i-click ang like, subscribe, at i-hit nyo yung notification bell para naman ma-update kayo sa ating upcoming videos. Maraming salamat po at magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa another travel show. Bye-bye! Hello guys! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa... Wait lang. The best performance of the year. Ito yon.